sa pamamagitan na rin ng pagtutulungan ng law enforcement agencies at iba pang concerned government agencies. Pangkalahatang naging mapayapa ang pagdaraos ng 2025 midterm elections. Si Ryan Lesigue sa sentro ng balita, live.
Ayon kay Chief PIO Police Colonel Randolph Tuanyo, na ito ay dahil sa pagtutulungan ng PNP, COMELEC at iba pang ahensya ng pamahalaan para matiyak na magiging maayos at mapayapa ang May midterm elections.
By order of the President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., to ensure a clean, honest, and peaceful elections, the Philippine National Police reports that the 2025 national and local elections, the electoral process was generally peaceful, secure, and orderly nationwide.